These are not on, is that correct, Tony? Or are they, can I lift that one up right there?
They're not on.
Okay, good. You know what? I like that. Is that good, Connie? Do you like that? Will, you all good? Good. You guys are gonna come stand with me. Come on, we're family. Doc, you can stand right here. Mary, you can stand there. Tell me where are we going? This camera? And we're live on social media?
Yes, so this is the Wilco Gov right here.
All right. Oh, you okay? All right. An important and urgent update for you. Remember what I've said from the beginning, that we need to be prepared and not be scared. So take a deep breath. We have a little information, but we want to announce some new orders and some new findings. This is Dr. Palazzo, who is our Chief Medical Director for Williamson County in our health district, and we have some announcements. Then following that, I will announce some new orders that we've enacted or that will be enacted as of 6 p.m. tonight. And then our mayor from Round Rock, our largest city in Williamson County, will speak as well. Dr. Palazzo.
Thank you, Judge. Good afternoon, everyone. Williamson County and City's Health District just received word this morning of 4 cases of COVID-19 in Williamson County. And necessary to protect the health of the public. These 4 individuals are a female in her 40s, who is a close contact with a separate known case, and a female in her 40s who has known travel history to France. Our epidemiologists are working with these individuals to trace contacts and their travel history over the past few weeks. As testing has become approximately 80% of the cases of COVID-19 are very mild in nature, require no hospitalization, and the patients have complete recovery of their symptoms. The exception to this, though, is our what I've been saying all along: wash your hands frequently. Home if you're sick, and don't go out until you're feeling better. Using a telehealth option. When you cough, laugh, or sneeze, do so in the crook of your arm, or if you have to use a Kleenex, dispose bathroom, when you enter your house, when you The other things you want to do is to avoid touching your face with your hands. Avoid touching an older group. You also want to keep a safe distance of at least 6 feet. Stay home if you are sick. Thank you.
Now, based upon the recommendations from our Williamson County Health District and based upon recommendations from our Office of Emergency Management, we do have some unfortunate, but they're not unexpected. We enacted our local disaster declaration this past Saturday, and the Commissioner's Court today extended that local disaster declaration indefinitely. Monday, President Trump acknowledged the gravity of the coronavirus pandemic, and he released new guidelines to limit people's interactions to avoid gatherings of groups of 10 or more. So given that we have our first cases of the coronavirus, tonight, effective at 6 p.m., I'm issuing the following orders for Williamson County. I'm issuing a second order in relation to mass gatherings that prohibit all gatherings for 10 or less, and gatherings will be in effect on May the 11th. This applies as well to our churches, weddings, religious services, or activities. It applies to concerts, it applies to funerals, it applies to fundraisers and other similar activities. I also order all of our food establishments to close their common dining areas open to the public during the effective period of this second order, and you are encouraged between individuals. As well, the holder of beer and wine retail permits or mixed beverage permits, you're hereby ordered to close your common indoor and outdoor bar spaces open to the public, and you are prohibited from allowing consumption of alcohol drastic measures that we're taking to reduce the spread of the coronavirus in our community so that the health care facilities that we have will not be overwhelmed in the days to come. It is our responsibility to come together for a time such as this, for us to be prepared and not be scared. Your state, your federal, your county, and your city local officials are working tirelessly to protect our communities and be forward-leaning. Pray for us, trust us. Mayor Craig Morgan, then following that, we'll take a couple of questions, then we need to step out. Mayor Morgan.
Thank you, Judge, Doctor. As others have said, the new cases in Williamson County is very unfortunate, and our thoughts and prayers are with all the citizens, but not unexpected, as has been mentioned. We hoped this day wouldn't come, but because it was possible, the cities in Williamson County have been working closer with the county as this pandemic has been unfolding. We are stronger and better prepared when we are working together, and that's just what we have been doing. I've been in daily contact with other mayors in Williamson County, and our staffs have been in daily contact as well, including multiple times a day, in fact, making sure Judge's orders today. It's the responsible thing to do. We know we're likely to see more local cases here in Williamson County. Be impacted. We'll share more details as they come available. Thank you.
Okay.
Two questions.
Question.
Yes, so far, as of this time today, we've had 4 confirmed cases. You want the ages as well that I said before?
Just go ahead and repeat it.
Okay, it was a female in her 40s, a male in his 50s with exposure to a known case, an infant who is a close contact,
Okay, and I have a question in regards to testing facilities and sites. Do we know how many are currently in the county?
That's increasing day by day. We'll probably have a list on our website, but we just got another list this morning. More and more people are testing. So that will be up on our website.
Do we have a rough estimate as to how many facilities?
From what I saw this morning, there was at least maybe 8 in that list, but that's going to grow.
And do we know what?
Okay, that's fine. We're good. Thank you.